interactive toy that's controlled by a handy app. At first glance, Smart Teddy looks like a traditional childhood teddy bear. The medium size is perfect for a baby hug. But hidden inside the bear is an electronic box. That's what makes this teddy smart. Parents can control Smart Teddy with a smartphone application, which connects to the toy via Bluetooth. Soon you will be able to configure Smart Teddy's Wi-Fi connection so that it updates itself.
You know, you're my best friend.
The kid's favorite function stores personal favorite stories and poems. Lots of stories have already been uploaded into the Smart Teddy library. They've been carefully selected together with teachers and psychologists.
Let's play. Or I can tell you a story.
Children can use Teddy's paws to make their own choices. This paw turns on daytime stories. The library also has longer bedtime tales, which are launched with the interactive Moon sticker. They only play in the evening since Smart Teddy knows what time it is. Parents can also use the app to play any story whenever they want to, no matter what time it is. You can store a child's top stories in favorites. Just use the app to mark a story or poem with a star sign. Then, whenever children press this paw, they'll hear one of the tales that they love the most.
Do you know what you'd wish for if you could have anything you wanted? That's exactly what happened to a boy named Aladdin.
But Smart Teddy isn't just a terrific storyteller. He also helps kids to learn everyday skills and good habits, like brushing their teeth, doing morning exercises, making the bed, and cleaning up toys.
This place needs some cleaning, but I bet you're a super-duper cleaner-upper.
Parents love how Smart Teddy can wake up kids in a cheerful way in the morning, distract them from spending too much screen time, and even reminds them to go potty. Smart Teddy praises children when a task is done well and inspires new successes.
Wake up, wake up, wake up! It's a brand new day, and I can't wait to play together.
Learning with Smart Teddy is engaging and not at all dull. The app has educational games with numbers, letters, and riddles. It also shares fun facts about the world around us. Watch out! Smart Teddy has a super paw. This paw doesn't have a button. Instead, it has a built-in antenna that reacts to NFC tags. Wave the super paw over a special sticker, and Smart Teddy will read the tag and understand what the sticker means. Teddy Super Paw works with the included interactive stickers. Wave the paw over the Moon sticker to hear a bedtime story. Use the Workout Buddy sticker to start exercising. Place the Toothbrush Champ sticker in the bathroom, and your child will be able to brush their teeth under the careful guidance of a fun and furry friend. There's still one more paw left. This button launches fun facts about all kinds of timely topics. For example, in winter, Smart Teddy shares info about how snow forms. The Smart Teddy team is constantly developing new content. The library of activities, stories, games, and facts is regularly updated. Updates are automatic when Smart Teddy is connected to Wi-Fi. Kids form strong connections with their favorite toys. Smart Teddy's personal options and loving personality will make him a playful and trusted friend, the special buddy children dream of. Smart Teddy can also be a welcome gift. He's modern, fun, and useful. Both children and their parents will be delighted. Thank you for watching this video.
Loco, happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Loco, happy birthday, I love you. He travels the world over in search of his princess. Bye. Okay, see you.
Stay sharp with Flash Dash from Winning Fingers. This fun and addictive memory building game will keep you coming back for more.
Select game. Chase me. Catch me. Follow me. Remember me. Yellow, red, blue. Ready? Yellow, red, blue.
Flash Dash from Winning Fingers, the game you can't let go.
Introducing the remote control robot dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. From Top Race.
Never miss the fun with Toby 2 Robot Smartwatch. Hit record and catch the action. Snap a selfie, add frames and fun stickers too, and more. Toby 2 Robot Smartwatch comes to life before your eyes. Each sold separately.